初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Wait, what was I saying?
Wait, what was I saying?
等等，我刚才在说什么？
Wait, what was I saying?
Wait, what was I saying?
It was right on the tip.
It was right on the tip.
就在嘴边了。
It was right on the tip.
It was right on the tip.
I just had it in mind.
I just had it in mind.
我刚刚还记得的。
I just had it in mind.
I just had it in mind.
Oh no, I lost my thought.
Oh no, I lost my thought.
哦不，我忘记要说什么了。
Oh no, I lost my thought.
Oh no, I lost my thought.
Give me a second, please.
Give me a second, please.
请给我1秒钟。
Give me a second, please.
Give me a second, please.
My brain just froze suddenly.
My brain just froze suddenly.
我的大脑突然卡住了。
My brain just froze suddenly.
My brain just froze suddenly.
I completely blanked out now.
I completely blanked out now.
我现在完全一片空白。
I completely blanked out now.
I completely blanked out now.
It was something important, I swear.
It was something important, I swear.
是很重要的事情，我发誓。
It was something important, I swear.
It was something important, I swear.
Don't talk, let me remember.
Don't talk. Let me remember.
别说话，让我想想。
Don't talk, let me remember.
Don't talk. Let me remember.
It's coming back almost there.
It's coming back almost there.
快想起来了，就差一点。
It's coming back almost there.
It's coming back almost there.
Why do I always forget mid-sentence?
Why do I always forget mid-sentence?
为什么我总是在说话中途忘记？
Why do I always forget mid-sentence?
Why do I always forget mid-sentence?
It was such a good point.
It was such a good point.
那是个很好的观点。
It was such a good point.
It was such a good point.
This happens all the time.
This happens all the time.
哎，这种事总是发生。
This happens all the time.
This happens all the time.
I was about to say something.
I was about to say something.
我正要说什么来着？
I was about to say something.
I was about to say something.
I can't believe I forgot again.
I can't believe I forgot again.
真不敢相信，我又忘了。
I can't believe I forgot again.
I can't believe I forgot again.
Just let me think for a moment.
Just let me think for a moment.
就让我想一会儿。
Just let me think for a moment.
Just let me think for a moment.
Wait, I remember the first part.
Wait, I remember the first part.
等等，我记得第一部分。
Wait, I remember the first part.
Wait, I remember the first part.
Maybe it'll come back soon.
Maybe it'll come back soon.
也许很快就能想起来。
Maybe it'll come back soon.
Maybe it'll come back soon.
This is so embarrassing right now.
This is so embarrassing right now.
现在真是太尴尬了。
This is so embarrassing right now.
This is so embarrassing right now.
My brain just turned off completely.
My brain just turned off completely.
我的大脑完全死机了。
My brain just turned off completely.
My brain just turned off completely.
I hate when this happens.
I hate when this happens.
我讨厌这种情况。
I hate when this happens.
I hate when this happens.
It was literally in my head.
It was literally in my head.
刚才明明就在我脑子里。
It was literally in my head.
It was literally in my head.
I need to focus and recall.
I need to focus and recall.
我需要集中精神回想。
I need to focus and recall.
I need to focus and recall.
Maybe if I retrace my words.
Maybe if I retrace my words.
也许如果我回顾一下刚才的话。
Maybe if I retrace my words.
Maybe if I retrace my words.
What were we talking about again?
What were we talking about again?
我们刚才在聊什么来着？
What were we talking about again?
What were we talking about again?
I swear it'll come back soon.
I swear it'll come back soon.
我发誓很快就能想起来。
I swear it'll come back soon.
I swear it'll come back soon.
Nope, still nothing in my mind.
Nope. Still nothing in my mind.
不，脑子里还是什么都没有。
Nope, still nothing in my mind.
Nope. Still nothing in my mind.
Maybe it'll pop up later.
Maybe it'll pop up later.
也许稍后会突然想起来。
Maybe it'll pop up later.
Maybe it'll pop up later.
Oh, wait, no, that's not it.
Oh, wait, no. That's not it.
哦，等等，不是那个。
Oh, wait, no, that's not it.
Oh, wait, no. That's not it.
I almost had it just now.
I almost had it just now.
我刚刚差点就想起来了。
I almost had it just now.
I almost had it just now.
It's driving me crazy already.
It's driving me crazy already.
这已经快把我逼疯了。
It's driving me crazy already.
It's driving me crazy already.
Okay, I officially give up.
Okay, I officially give up.
好吧，我正式放弃了。
Okay, I officially give up.
Okay, I officially give up.
It'll hit me at 3 a.m.
It'll hit me at 3 a.m.
凌晨3点我会突然想起来的。
It'll hit me at 3 a.m.
It'll hit me at 3 a.m.
I'll remember it in the shower.
I'll remember it in the shower.
我洗澡的时候会想起来的。
I'll remember it in the shower.
I'll remember it in the shower.
Maybe it wasn't that important.
Maybe it wasn't that important.
也许没那么重要。
Maybe it wasn't that important.
Maybe it wasn't that important.
I'll just move on for now.
I'll just move on for now.
我现在就继续往下说吧。
I'll just move on for now.
I'll just move on for now.
Next time I'll write it down.
Next time I'll write it down.
下次我会记下来。
Next time I'll write it down.
Next time I'll write it down.
My short-term memory is terrible.
My short-term memory is terrible.
我的短期记忆很糟糕。
My short-term memory is terrible.
My short-term memory is terrible.
Anyway, let's talk about something else.
Anyway, let's talk about something else.
不管怎样，我们聊点别的吧。
Anyway, let's talk about something else.
Anyway, let's talk about something else.
Wait-o! I finally remembered it.
Wait-o! I finally remembered it.
等等，我终于想起来了。
Wait-o! I finally remembered it.
Wait-o! I finally remembered it.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。